It's comes Grave Digger! Going somewhere, I think it's gonna be very cool! Oh wait, I got it. It's falling in light. Going to jump? Okay, I think he's trying to make some speed so it can have more points. 3, 2, 1, go! He's flying it right now! Jesus Christ! Big air! He's going for another one! And another big air for Grave Digger! Land on the ground hard! Slap really? For a little second. Hey, oh my god! What? What? Oh my god, what? What just happened? Grave Digger almost did a backflip! Oh my god, but sadly Grave Digger have 6.5 points. Next we got Overboard Blue. Going around so his fans can see him. Going to the right to flying it right now. Nope, it's just a practice. Fly it right now! Fly it! The timer start, go! 3 minutes on! Wow! Fantastic! Get the... Oh my god, what? For Overboard, he only had 1.5 points. Next we got Son of a Digger! Like the other monster truck, he's about to go to a ramp and then trying to get more speed after that. much air. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. What? I'm not really on the window. Oh my god. Oh my god. Back on the front tire. Oh my god. That was the most craziest thing I ever seen. Going for the backflip ramp. Let's go see it's oh, okay. What just happened? Well, for that, I have to give him 645. Wait a minute. He reset, but he lost all of his points. So he must get it all. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Big air. Flying it right now, flying it right now. Oh my god! Good run for son of a digger. Okay, what he's gonna do now? Okay, big jump. Let's go see he can survive without any damage. And he did survive. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, what is going on? Okay, what is doing? What? Fortunately, he only had 5.3 points. We got Auto Loco Black! Flying it right now and to get a huge jump! Not that crazy. Oh my god, little slap really. Okay, a bicycle? A bicycle? No, not a bicycle. Oh my god, I did see later. It's gonna make a huge jump. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. What is it? He's flying it right now. He's flying it right now. Why are you trying? Flat wheels. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! My god! I landed at 4 tire. Okay, one tip gonna do. Flying it right now, flying it, flying it, flying it. What? 7.2 points. He's our new leader.